What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel with something special. Our topic today is this, the Raijin Express casting from Hot Wheels. The idea came up when I found the latest Hot Wheels case, and that was the latest version for the Raijin Express. And then I realized that I do have many versions of this casting, not all of them, unfortunately, but all of them carded. So we're gonna do an unboxing and I will tell you something about the Raijin Express. So what I hold in my hand here is the first version of this casting that ever came out. I think 2021, this was in my early stages of Hot Wheels collecting, and this definitely wasn't a very popular casting. And when I started collecting, I was mainly only after, let's say, licensed models like Porsche, Lamborghini, and all that stuff. But I also bought this one here, and I'm pretty happy that I did, because this is a really, really, really cool casting. So this here is a so-called Decotora truck. And to be honest, when I bought it, I didn't know that something like this was existent in reality. So Decotora trucks are, let's say, trucks that are customized by the driver. It's something that, yeah, when I'm right, I think it came up in the 1970s, and there are different styles. And I think this is definitely one of the styles. If you Google Decotora trucks, you will find some pictures that are pretty similar to this one here. And some of them are also chromed out, really cool. So yeah, let's get this thing out of the packaging. There we go. By the way, this is Rio Asada casting. See it here on the side. Really, really nice casting. Completely chromed out. Of course, we only get out of the picture. We only get a metal base. The rest, of course, is plastic. But yeah, I think it looks really, really cool. I mean, it's the style is something, maybe like something you would have imagined in the year 2000 when you were living in 1970 or something like that. So the cabin has purple tinted windows, which is kind of cool. And yeah, we get this, I don't know how to call that, Japanese art here on the side, snow-covered mountain, and what's that, water waves. As far as I know, by the way, Raijin, I think, is kind of the god of lightning and thunder or something like that in Japan. Yeah. But this is definitely a very, very nice version with the gold rims and all of the chrome. And yeah, it's something I wanted to do for a while, an unboxing of these. Yeah, the first version, really, really nice. Unfortunately, if you take a look in the background, I'm missing, I think, kind of the recolor of this one. Was kind of turquoise or something. Unfortunately, I didn't buy that. Then after that, I think one of these came out. I don't know which one was first. Maybe this one. Uh, This one came in gold. Let's get this thing out of its packaging. As you can see here on the packaging, saying reuse right. I think they put it on the cards when Ryo Asada died, and yeah, made some new versions of his castings in the year after. They always put this logo on there. So there we go. The Raijin Express in gold with a, what's that, dragon, I would say, on the side. Really cool. The most of the model comes in, yeah, gold, and only the bottom part is in normal chrome. You get golden rims and also some deco here on the roof. Our first version didn't have that. Let's take a look at the windows. I think it's just a little bit dark tinted. Yeah, really nice. I'm really regretting that I didn't buy the second version, but maybe someday I will find it, maybe on an event or something like that, because I don't think that this casting is very popular. In my opinion, it's really underrated. And as you can see, this is kind of the recolor of this dragon version, now completely in chrome once again, with some blue details, and chrome rims. Also looks pretty nice. While we're taking a look at this one, there are some more versions that, yeah, I wouldn't say we're exactly in the main line. I think there's one kind of these anniversary editions or whatever you call that, and I think it was kind of the chase model, unfortunately. And I think there is a Zemek version, which unfortunately we don't get here in Europe. So these do look so good. Then we had this one. If you take a look at the car, I don't know if you can see it. This was the regular treasure hunt some time ago. As you can see, the flame logo here on the side. There we go. I have to say, this is the ugliest version, to be honest. So far, I don't really like this. Let's say dark red plastic. I'm not a huge fan of the deco on this thing. Just doesn't look too great. We're missing details on the front and on the back. It's pretty plain. I think this one looks very good, and it's, let's say, covered in chrome. So yeah, this was the treasure hunt version, and now we are going to take a look at the latest one of the Raijin Express. I'm yeah, pretty happy that this one came back, and as you can see here on our truck is this kind of waving cat, and you know, I guess it's something that brings luck if you put it into your window or something like that. And Hot Wheels also made one of these cats not too long ago. I mean, our Hot Wheels version comes with the cat has closed eyes, and this one has the eyes open. But yeah, kind of similar. The latest version comes with red tinted windows, but I think you can't see through that. So yeah, I don't think that this casting has an interior, to be honest. Pretty hard to look inside, but I don't think it comes with an interior. So yeah, this was kind of a quick video. I just wanted to show this Raijin Express. Once again, I think it's a pretty underrated casting in my opinion, and I hope that I will find the other version someday for a reasonable price, of course. I think I'm not really sure. The gold one is also really cool. I think the best one is best version so far is this thing with the dragon on the side. Well, yeah, you can write your comments to this casting down below. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.